Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can get the dislike function on YouTube back, so you can see the amount of likes and the amount of dislikes under a video. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your YouTube account. Now let's go to a random video right here. Let's pause it real quick. Now here we can't see the dislike ratio. Now simply open up a different tab, go to the Chrome Web Store right here, open up the Chrome Web Store, and here type in YouTube, return YouTube dislike. Now this is a extension, simply add this to Chrome, add extension, and right here if we go back to the video and we refresh it, now we can actually see the like and dislike ratio. It's easy as that. And here you can see all the videos that you want with a normal dislike ratio. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.